stage. They say no, we are comfortable. We are just an audience type of people. Mostly all of you. So why? I want to ask you why. Why is that so? I need to speak a bit louder. Strangers. Mostly strangers की वजह से. Okay. क्यों लैग होता है स्टेज पर जाने से? You have to speak. Why do you guys lag in public? You are shy. Okay. Nervous. People laugh at you. Okay. And why do you lag going on stage?
I'm a little shy and nervous.
Okay, you are shy and nervous. ये किसको होता है कि भाई अगर हम स्टेज पर जाएंगे, our friends will be laughing at us and they will make fun of us. बहुत सारे बच्चों का ये वाला मसला है. Right? It is, right? I would suggest you guys, if I talk about myself, I was not shy at all. I usually go to stage और जो हंस रहा होता था ना, I used to point that guy out and I used to say, laugh more. Okay? Now next time if you guys go on stage, I would suggest every one of you to go on stage, participate because it boosts your confidence and it's very much important. Okay? Next time Zoa, if I see you, I just have to listen that you have confidence. Okay? Acha, if we are done with the project, planning is very much important. If things are not going as planned, it's very much important कि हम उसको different तरीकों से plan करें. The outlines that we have basically made, they are totally based on planning, and the each credit hour that we are focusing is on planning based. Analysis is very much important. There are many courses that require analysis as well, so we do focus on analysis as well. Revision, after each class will be completed, there will be a specific revision class as well, which will be after every, you can say, the course completion. The last two classes will be the revision classes at which what we basically have given you guys or what we have delivered, we will be doing a revision for that, which is very much important ताकि आप लोग उस चीज़ को भूलें ना, and then आपका एक brief revision हो सके. Collaboration is very much important. I basically encourage those students who work on collaborative environment. Okay, so we are enablers. They are providing collaborative environment for kids. You will be doing every group project together. You will be interacting. You will be sharing. You will be sharing your knowledge and insights on daily basis in the process. And presentation in last, you guys can create mini presentations of what you have basically. I just told you about it. Acha, presentation, whatever you guys are learning from here, you guys can create a brief PPT for that, and you guys can share on the neighbors group as well, and you guys can share here as well. Okay? Okay. Story time is last. Now, the learning outcomes. The learning outcomes, they are very much important. Let me discuss them briefly here. Number one is build and pitch a business idea. Building and pitching a business idea. Guys, idea generate करने के बाद उसको pitch करना क्यों जरूरी होता है? Anyone? Why pitching is important? You guys know about pitching? Anyone? You guys know about pitching? Okay, fine. You have a unique business idea. आप कैसे उसको लोगों तक पहुंचाएंगे? How will you deliver it to different people? Digital marketing, okay? Through social media. Will you come in front? Okay. Okay. Okay, good quality. I would like to hear from you too. Okay. Pitching is very much important. Pitching is important because you have a business idea. You should know how to deliver it. It's very much important. For example, I have this idea. Anyone of you यहाँ पे कोई business idea हो किसके पास कोई pitching काम करवा सकते हैं? Okay, can you just come and present it in 1 minute? Please. You have to do it. And pitching is always unplanned. Come here. You just have to pitch it. You have to pitch it and you have to convince people to know more about it. You have to do your introduction first, and you just have 1 minute to pitch about that idea. And यहाँ पर लोग convince होने चाहिए कि okay, they should know more about it. It should be engaging. Okay.
is Radha Abbas and I'm going to send you my t-shirts, and the main ideology of my plan is that I will make personalized t-shirts for you guys, and you can give me any idea of yours. It can be wording, it can be a phrase, it can be a picture, or even an idea that I can generate with just for it related to that, and I can bring that on your t-shirts.
Okay, how can you contact you?
You can contact me through my Insta ID, or you can mail me.
Okay, and how much do you guys charge for that?
It's based on the color scheme of the picture you are giving, or the phrase you are giving, how much we cost in making that.
Okay,
It depends on the design.
okay, thank you so much. Clap for Varda, by the way.